Throughout the semester, I have learned a lot of different vocabulary towards race, ethnicity, racism, minority groups, poverty, social classes, social standings, gender, and religion, and all these terms tie in together in some way. But I'm going to point out some terms that have really educated me that I didn't know had so much meaning to them. So as I scroll down, let's go to LGBTQ right here. LGBTQ is a group of lesbians, gays, bisexual, and transgenders. And I have a cousin that is bisexual. And as you can see, where the word ally is the person who supports LGBTQ or those people who have different gender roles or sexual differences and everything. And I am an ally to the LGBTQ because I am a heterosexual ally, and that means that I support LGBTQ. Um, so if we scroll back up and we go to um, sexual orientation, which is a person's identity to a gender they are attracted to. And as you can see here, I stated that stereotyping can play a role in sexual orientation, and that the example I used was how I will look at a female who's dressed how a man or a young boy would dress, but that doesn't necessarily mean that she is lesbian or bisexual. It's just I am placing her into a group because her appearance, and that's how stereotyping can relate to sexual orientation. So if I go back up and I talk about more of things, I could go to how poverty and social stratification can relate together, because social stratification is like placing people into social economic status, and how you have the lower class, the upper class, and all that. And poverty would be like the lower class because those are the children who live like in like the ghettos or something where money is not a big thing, and like they're going to suffer through a lot of differences and stuff, and that's social stratification. If I could go on, I would go to let's see, race, as I am a biracial child, and racism plays in the role of race, and um, racism is still occurring till this day. And as an educator, I think that these terms will help me, and I feel like I'm very informed with how to go about certain situations about gender, racism, and all that. And this semester has been a great semester, and I just want to say thank you, Professor Willocks.